Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have brought a very special oats pizza recipe for you, which is very healthy and very easy to make. Let's start. First we will take some oats in a bowl. Then we will add 1 egg. Mix it properly. Now I will add little water. Now I will cover it and soak it for 10 minutes. Okay, now we will blend it. Make a smooth batter. Okay, our batter is ready. These are the vegetables I'm going to use as topping. Now we will add some little ghee on pan. Let it hot. Now we will put the oats batter. Give it a round pizza shape. Let it cook from one side. Okay, our oats pizza base is ready. Looks very crispy. Now we will add some sauces on it. Here I'm adding tomato ketchup. Spread it all over. Now I will add the veggies. And I have added some little chicken also. Now I will add a little jalapeno. Now I will put some mozzarella cheese. Now we will put it back on heated pan. Now we will cover it with the lid and let cheese melts completely. Alright, here's our delicious oats pizza is ready. If you have enjoyed my video, please subscribe.